Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adblocker Ultimate on your computer. So for downloading that, press on window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here on the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for the Adblocker Ultimate. So let me search here. So here you can see Adblocker Ultimate is showing. Now click on it. So here you can see here is the option Get. So by clicking on Get, you can download Adblocker Ultimate. So by using this, you can block all ads from all the browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, etc. So this is how you can download Adblocker Ultimate. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.